So, something new is trending with the way young people learn today. Have you wondered why a single trip abroad, a festival gig, or even starting a side hustle teaches you more than an entire semester of lectures? That's the magic of experiential learning. Learning through real world experiences. But why has this gone viral and why does it feel so much more powerful than textbooks, lectures, and even exams? Welcome to our YouTube series of Brain, Behavior, and Big Ideas, where we break down everyday news and trends through the lens of economics and psychology. I'm Koisha Mukherjee, the founder and CEO of The Leading Youth, and I'm going to be talking about all things economics in this section. So today, we are unpacking not just the trend behind experiential learning, but the psychology and economics behind it. Why it motivates us, sticks in our memory, and transforms us in ways classrooms simply can't. So first, let's address the skills gap problem here. Here's the truth. Employers worldwide say graduates know theory, but struggle to apply it. That's the skills gap problem. Experiential learning bridges this gap by teaching critical thinking, teamwork, problem solving, and adaptability. किताबों से नहीं, काम करके सीखना. So why are Gen Z and millennials loving this experience? You know how our generation spends more on experiences than on things. From music festivals to travel adventures, we live for moments. So when learning feels like a shared experience, fun, real world, and community driven, it just clicks. It feels natural, not forced. And so exams and rote learning overload the brain with information, but don't activate what psychologists call deep processing, linking knowledge to emotions, stories, and real context. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग इमोशंस को ट्रिगर करता है और इसी वजह से सीखे हुए लेसन्स ज़्यादा देर तक याद रहते हैं. इसीलिए एक रियल चैलेंज सॉल्व करना हमेशा यादगार लगता है, फॉर्मूला रटने से कहीं ज़्यादा. एंड हियर्स वेयर थिंग्स रियली टुक ऑफ. दीज प्रोग्राम्स लुक इंस्टाग्रामेबल. Travel plus learning plus fun. It's content you want to share. वर्ड ऑफ माउथ और सोशल मीडिया ने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग को इतना फास्ट ट्रेंड बनाया जितना कोई टेक्स्ट बुक कभी नहीं कर पाई. द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम सेज द मोस्ट इन डिमांड स्किल्स आर क्रिएटिविटी, लीडरशिप, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस एंड अडेप्टेबिलिटी. एंड गेस व्हाट, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग सबसे फास्ट तरीका है स्किल्स प्रैक्टिस करने का. एग्ज़ाम रेजिलियंस नहीं सिखाता, पर एक रियल चैलेंज ज़रूर सिखाता है. सो व्हाट्स द इकोनॉमिक्स बिहाइंड एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग? Talking about the money, the first thing is the experience economy. Now, Harvard researchers Pine and Gilmore coined this term, saying people now value experiences more than products. Think festivals, retreats, travel, learning adventures. Businesses ने ये ट्रेंड पकड़ लिया और आज एक्सपीरियंस इंडस्ट्री की वैल्यू $1 ट्रिलियन तक पहुंच गई है ग्लोबली. Employability is also equal to the return on investment here. So employers don't pay for your grades, they pay for your skills. Experiential programs are marketed as an investment with a return. Better jobs, stronger networks, faster career growth. इसी वजह से young लोग खुद इन पे पैसा खर्च करने को रेडी होते हैं. The third thing is content currency. In the digital economy, experiences double as content. That trip, retreat, or challenge isn't just fun. It's also Instagram Reels, LinkedIn Stories, or TikTok that build your personal brand. ये है असली economic value आज की attention-driven दुनिया में. And finally, there's always government and policy support. Many governments now fund or integrate experiential programs into youth development because they see it reduces unemployment and builds future-ready talent. Now that's economics at scale. So at its core, experiential learning isn't just about personal growth. It's an entire market shift driven by what people value, what employers demand, and what looks good online.
So, why does experiential learning actually work? The secret is psychology, and science has been backing this for decades. Psychologist David Cole said, real learning happens in 4 steps: experience, reflection, conceptualization, and application. Basically, when you do something, फिर आप उसके बारे में सोचते हो and you try to learn a lesson from your experience. And in new situations, आप इस lesson को दोबारा try करते हो. ये cycle knowledge को practical and unforgettable बना देता है. Another renowned psychologist, Albert Bandura, proved we learn best by observing, imitating and modeling others. इसीलिए ग्रुप चैलेंजेस, पीयर डिस्कशंस और मेंटर ग्रोथ को फास्ट कर देते हैं और हम नेचुरली लोगों के साथ एंड लोगों से सीखने के लिए वायर्ड है. कॉग्निटिव साइकोलॉजी शोज अस कि हमारे ब्रेन्स सिर्फ फैक्ट स्टोर नहीं करते हैं, बट वो एक्टिव एंगेजमेंट पे थ्राइव करते हैं. When we solve a real problem, we get a rush of dopamine, which is the reward chemical that gets released in the brain and makes us feel good, and it also boosts motivation and memory. The studies showed that the participants in this program were more resilient, confident, and emotionally balanced as compared to learners who were in traditional learning systems. And this was a kind of transformation जो compare and measure किया जा सकता था. Harvard pioneered the case study method, making students solve real business dilemmas. Stanford's D-School made design thinking a global innovation movement. इन दोनों का बेस साइकोलॉजी में है. एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन लर्निंग का ओनरशिप क्रिएट करता है जो मैसिवली रिटेंशन को इम्प्रूव करता है. सो व्हाट्स इन इट फॉर यू? Here's the psychology of why you should invest in experiential learning. Confidence boost. Mastering experiences releases dopamine, rewiring your brain for belief in yourself. It also gives you clarity and direction, because when you reflect, it taps into metacognition. Reflecting on your thoughts will help you see your path clearly. It also helps you with understanding emotional intelligence, because shared experience activate करते हैं empathy circuits, improving how you connect with others. So, where's this trend going next? Hybrid models. Imagine classrooms blending online theory with outdoor or workplace challenges. The best of both worlds. AI and VR. Virtual reality team missions and AI-powered simulations will make experiential learning borderless and scalable. Global exchange programs. लोकल से इंटरनेशनल शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं जो यूथ को क्रॉस कल्चरल लर्निंग एंड स्किल बिल्डिंग करने का मौका दे रहे हैं. The future isn't textbook versus experiences. It's experiences powered by technology, preparing us for a global economy. Here's where it gets exciting. Imagine combining this learning with the magic of Goa. The Leading Youth is organizing a youth retreat where you will build teamwork through beach challenges, recharge with yoga and mindfulness under open skies, and connect deeply with your peers through storytelling and reflection. It's learning that feels like living, and living that shapes your life. So, if you're 18 to 35 and ready to invest in the best version of yourself, Goa is calling. The Leading Youth Retreat has limited seats, maximum transformation, and your future will be reimagined. Like, follow and subscribe to our channel to learn about more concepts that can shape your future.